Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Today I am making a folding mask self-portrait. You can see in this sample how when the piece of paper is folded up, I appear to be wearing a mask. When you unfold the paper, you can see the rest of my face. In this project, I can express who I am above the mask and below my mask. To get started, I need to fold a piece of paper into fourths by folding that paper in half twice. When I open up the paper, I will have 4 equal sections. In my sample, I numbered each section 1 through 4 to help me. 1 is on top and section 4 is on the bottom. Next, I will need to fold the paper back up so that section 1 and section 4 are touching. I can then draw the outline shape of a head between these 2 sections of paper. That will be the view of my face with a mask on. I then unfold the sheet of paper and draw the head shape again between sections 1 and 2. This will be the rest of my head under the mask. Next, I draw the mask shape over the mouth and nose in just section 4. I draw my neck and shoulders between sections 2 and 3. From there, I can add all of the details of my self-portrait, like my ears, eyes, nose, hair, accessories, and more. Follow along while I get started. I make sure to start with a pencil so that I can get all of my details right before I trace or outline with a marker. Better safe than sorry, I always say. The outline will help the details of my drawing stand out better against the paper. Check it out. A self-portrait is a picture that we make of ourselves. A self-portrait is a perfect type of picture to express your personality. I am going to use this folding surprise portrait to show who I am on the surface compared to who I am inside. In section 1, I write "I am" across the top and complete that sentence with Mr. Melvin written on my face mask. On the surface, you may just see Mr. Melvin, but when I open up, I am so much more. Between sections 2 and 3, I filled a space around my self-portrait with words that express my identity. Before my drawing, I brainstormed a list of personality traits that describe who I am. Our identity is so important. In this challenge, you can express all of the important traits of your identity inside the folding surprise. While I finish coloring my folding mask self-portrait, you might begin thinking about some traits that describe your personality. A self-portrait generally only shows what you look like. This art challenge lets you express who you are. So many things make up you and the person that you are. You're the artist, so you get to decide which identities you will share with this art challenge. You are so much more than what people see on the surface. Understanding who you are and expressing that through your artwork can feel so powerful. Try this art challenge out for yourself. It can be a doodle or it can be a masterpiece. Either way, happy making, artist. Enjoy.